Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm just going to be on here sharing a makeup tutorial and how I achieved that skin-like finish. Okay, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow on Instagram at _beautyhq for more amazing videos. And in today's video also I'm just going to be having a chit chat with you all, and as well as sharing this makeup process with you. Okay, I have done the brows off camera, and I just went in to finish up the rest of the skin prep, and now I'm just going into foundation, and as you can see it matches her skin shade very well. And also I'm so happy that I'm back, and today being Wednesday, this video is going to go up on Wednesday. I am really happy. I have consistently uploaded videos on YouTube for a month, and it is really stressful because you have to film, you have to edit, you have to make sure that people are getting value from your content. And me being away for over a year and 6 months, I think, coming back, I wasn't expecting much, but then I had expectations, but then but I'm still thankful. I'm not complaining. I'm so thankful that I'm able to be back and be here and still share my whole makeup journey and share value with you beautiful people, and it means a lot to me, for real. So right now I'm going into conceal. If you have not yet, do make sure to subscribe already, because this coming month I want you guys to tell me what kind of videos you'd love to see. Okay, like I said in my in-depth makeup tutorial video and the soft glam tutorial, me doing makeup on clients and on my face, over time I have developed my techniques. Okay, with makeup you have to practice and practice and practice. I think with everything in life, really, you just have to keep at it, consistently keeping at it, and with time you figure it out. If your concealer is not blending, just keep blending. Blend today, blend tomorrow, blend next week, blend next month, and with time you gain mastery of it. If your under eye is creasing, don't worry about it. Let it crease today, get better at it tomorrow, get better at it next week, and with time that problem won't be a problem anymore. And this month I have learned that.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
So I'm just going into blend the blush and the concealer together so that there are no harsh lines at all. Okay, so just keep practicing and keep at it consistently. I am not only sharing value to you, I am also documenting my journey, so that when I come back to this video in a year's time, in 2 years time, my makeup game definitely will change, and I will come back to this video and I'll look at it like, is this really it? Okay, so just start. Okay, start. If it's just foundation, you just know how to apply it consistently. If you want to achieve different finishing, just pick up your brush, pick up your beauty sponge and start. You're not going to learn how to achieve a skin-like finish if you don't try something. So I'm just here to just chit chat with you all, for real. Like, this 1 month I have learned and unlearned, and the coming month I'd put out more videos, more valuable content, because I'm all about that. Okay, and I want you guys to engage and share the video. Okay, so I just went into sets. Okay, I make sure I packed on that loose setting powder under the eyes so that it can further brighten on the under eyes. Okay, and now I'm just going in to set the entire face with a pressed powder palette. Okay, so after that I'll just go into bake. Oh, I think I'm really ahead of. Okay, I'm just going to further bake, do the contour and a bit of blush, then bake for eyeshadow. So I'll just be setting the under eyes, or baking rather, just to catch fallout and further brighten the under eye. And I'm going in with her exact shade of powder to do a reverse contour. So for the eyes, I just went in with the dark brown on the lid and orange shade of eyeshadow, and I used that to blend under the crease. Then I went in with the eyeliner. Then I tried doing the graphic liner technique, but then it didn't come out well, but I'm just going to leave it here. Okay, she didn't want anything too much, but I just had to add this extra step. If you see the next part of the video, I had shaky hands and I really messed up the liner, but you know, it's just one extra. It's all, I guess, it's style. Yeah, so I just let that be and I just moved on. So after this, I'm just going to be popping on the lashes, and I'm going to go in with mascara to blend both the lashes and the false lashes together. And now I'll be dusting off the excess powder, and as you can tell already, it's giving skin, for real. Like, it's giving skin. So I'm just going to dust off that excess, go in to line the lips and set the face. The lip palette is by Blossommakeups, so I'm just going to do a nude lip, then set the face, and we're literally done with this look. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Do make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and also share the video. Okay, this coming month we are going harder. We're not gonna give up on this channel. Okay, so come on in and make sure to subscribe, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.